Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct Google account and that your phone has a stable connection. Once done, open the Google Pay app and check for updates. This avoids unexpected menu differences. Make sure you have your ID, the bank card you want to add, and any PINs or verification methods handy, because you'll need them during the account change process to confirm identity and link payment methods securely. You'll navigate to your profile and select Payments and Subscriptions, then choose Payment Methods to view linked accounts. Tap a card to edit details or remove it, and use Add Payment Method to attach a new card or bank account. Once you submit new details, Google Pay will ask you to verify, commonly via one-time password, micro deposit amount, or two-step authentication. So complete that step promptly, finish by confirming which method is set as default and review billing addresses to prevent declined payments. This matters for subscriptions and purchases. If changes don't appear, sign out and back in, or clear the app cache. These actions often force a sync. If verification fails, contact your bank to check holds, then reach Google support with any transaction ID. Doing this resolves most issues and ensures your account switch is secure and fully functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.